Welcome back to our channel. Wooden wall art bring a warmth of nature into your homes, transforming black space into captivating visual. This means whether you are drawn to rustic designs, intricate carving, or contemporary geometric pattern, the versatility of wood offer endless creativity possibilities. Imagine the character of reclaimed wood, the elegance of wood carved panels, and modern flair wall sculpture. These pieces do not just decorate, they tell a story, texture, and infuse your living space with personality. In this video, we will explore stunning wooden wall art ideas that blend transforming with artistic expression, perfect to any styles to your home decor. Either it's minimalist geometric designs and intricate curved masterpieces or rustic reclaimed wood pieces. Wooden wall art add a warmth of character to any room. The nature, texture, and rich tones of wood create a visual impact that resonates with both modern and traditional aesthetic. From large T-span pieces that draw to eye to similar staples essential for complement your decors. Wooden wall art versatile, durable, and untouchable styles let your walls tell a story with unique designs that reflect your personality and bring a touch of nature into perfect for any room. These wooden artwork are more just decoration for their expression to creativity, craftsmanship that will cherish it to come. The aesthetic of any space by blending nature elements with creative designs. Wooden wall art pieces can transform plain wall stunning focal point. Whether you are crafting intricate carving, abstract geometric pattern, or rustic reclaimed wooden designs, the possibilities are endless. Each piece tells a story, adding warmth, texture, and character to any room. The beauty of wooden wall art lies versatility, sustainable for both modern and traditional, integrates with the right tools, techniques, and inspiration. You can create masterpieces that resonate with personal style and complement your living space, making truly unique. Wooden wall art is more than just a decorative element, it is a testament of craftsmanship, creativity, and personal style. From intricate carving, tell that a story of minimalist designs that add a touch of elegance. Wooden wall art can be transformed any space into warm, inviting heavens, whether you are drawn to a rustic charm of reclaimed wood, sleek lines, modern geometric pattern, or the timeless beauty of handcrafted pieces. There is wooden wall art designs that resonate with every taste. In this video, we will explore some of the most stunning and versatile wooden wall art ideas, offering inspiration for any room of your home. Either you are scenes woodworker looking for your next project, for someone seeking the perfect pieces to complete your living space. Stay tuned for ideas that are sure to spark your imagination and elevate your decor. Creating wooden wall art is a fantastic way to bring warmth, texture, and personality to any space. Imagine transforming our simple pieces of wood into captivating pieces of art that can serve as focal point to any rooms. Either you are intricate carving, geometric designs, minimalist art, wooden wall open endless possibilities for creativity or experiment with different wood types, finish, and tend to achieve various looks for rustic, vintage to sleek and modern. Additionally, wood wall art can be personalized with carving, painting, even adding metals and for mixed media approach. This art form is not a great way of express your creativity to tailored side for skill levels. Making is essential for being and scenes woodworking like dive into the world of wooden wall art and to discover rewarding way to enhance your living space while honing your craftsmanship. It is a testament of craftsmanship, creativity, personal styles from intricate carving that tell a story to minimalist designs that add a touch of elegance. Wooden wall art can transform any space into a warm, inviting heaven as you are drawn into a rustic charm of reclaimed wood. The sleek lines of modern geometric pattern or the timeless beauty of handcrafted pieces. There is a wooden wall art designs that resonate with every taste. In this video, we will explore some of the most stunning and versatile wooden wall art ideas, offering inspiration for every room in your home. So, either you are seeing woodworker looking for your next project for someone seeking the perfect pieces to complete your living space. Stay tuned for ideas that sure to spark your imagination and elevate your decor. Is designed to enhance your audience by highlighting the appeal of variety, wooden wall art, setting the tone of deeper explorations of specific designs, idea, and techniques throughout the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.